and you are knacking her, it gets to a point that the water just ceases coming. This is what to do instead of you using your spit. I've said it before that using your spit in place of water or lubricant, it's not really hygienic. Okay, you can get your woman infected with that. Do you understand? So when you are knacking her, maybe from the onset she was producing that water that you want, but it got to a point everywhere just dry up, the thing ceased, the water ceased to come. All you have to do as a man, come out of the holy place, relax, let her relax, discuss. If probably you have, PDF on your phone, watch those movies to relax your mind, to put your mind back, to knack. And when you are about, when you have watched that, you guys, in the process or in the course of you watching movie to relax the people, to put your mind there, and don't let your hands leave the oranges. Let your hands be on the oranges, or you try to use one of your hand. Try to use it at the clickly area, or try to use this to pave way, or to, try to use it, one of these, to see if it's going to go in, to check if the place has a little bit, water is coming from there a little bit. When you are about to resume back to what you are doing, wash plate a little. Also, eat the bobby a little. Okay? Apply other skills so that the place can properly pour enough water. The problem some of you men has is the fact that some of you don't exercise patience. And when you don't exercise patience, she's not going to pour that water that you want. So you have to exercise patience, you have to calm down in order for the place to be pouring enough water before you go into the Jerusalem. The moment your baby man walked down or is in the Jerusalem doing what you know how to do best, use your mouth game. Don't let your hand leave the oranges. Okay? When you are using your mouth-to-mouth game and your baby man is inside, it helps the Jerusalem, the holy place, to continue to produce water. We take you throughout that. But the moment you decide not to use your mouth game, trust me, the place is not going to produce water. The place is going to dry up. And another thing is, when you are doing that, make noise. You see noise making and see communication during knack also help that place to remain, to remain. It helps that place to continue to produce water. And another thing, when you guys are knacking, it's always good you put on movie that both of you will be watching, seeing what they are doing, how they are carrying their own out. All of those things help. It helps you as a man to go more gaga, and also the woman. And it helps the woman to also continue to produce water. So another thing you can as well do is, if you have oil or if you have any, you can use it instead of you using your spit. Some of you, because you cannot be able to exercise patience, the moment the place is not bringing out water that you want, the next thing is to pour your spit. A lot of spit inside the holy place. My brother, it's not hygienic, and it's not the best. Do you hear me? It's not the best. So these are actually the simple things you can do if that place is not pouring water. Let me quickly make a recap. Number one, I said you should come out of the holy place, dialogue, If you have any app on your phone or any movie on your phone that can help to put your mind in what both of you are about to do, put it on when you both are watching the movie to relax your mind. Be sure your hands are on the tool bobby or trying to use your hand, to the clickly area, trying to use your hand at the entrance of the holy place to see if it's already pouring water. Another thing is for you guys to make noise, dialogue, all of those things can make the holy place to continue to pour water. Then another one is for you to use your mouth-to-mouth game. All those things I mentioned in this video can actually help us when it comes to water production, when you guys are both knacking. When you do all of that, it's going to keep that place producing the water that can carry you out or see you through that particular. Do you understand me? This actually brings us to the end of this video. If you watch the video to this point you haven't liked, that is unfair. Give the video a thumbs up. Drop a beautiful comment. Share so the algorithm can push the video to more people. If you are my returning subscriber, God bless you. If you are yet to subscribe, hit the subscription bell. Turn your notification bell on to get notified whenever I drop any other valuable video. If you are my returning subscriber, you are deeply loved. Any noise you are hearing in my background, just forget about it. My new place, my location is very noisy for now. For some time now, some of you that has been following my teaching, you can see that I'm not in my usual location. The location where I am right now is a bit noisy. The noise in the environment is so much. It's not like my usual environment that everywhere is always quiet. Do you hear me? So let me end this video here. See you in my next lecture. Bye for now.